Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for many Dymo label writer users, a replacement power adapter. Specifically, we're looking at the Gytech 24V AC adapter, designed to be fully compatible with the Dymo 69115 label writer 400 twin turbo label printer. For anyone who's ever misplaced their original adapter or found it failing, a reliable replacement is absolutely essential, and this Gytech offering aims to fill that void with some impressive features. Right off the bat, it's important to note that this is a brand new replacement adapter, not an original Dymo product. However, that often means you get a product that meets or even exceeds the original's specifications, often at a more accessible price point. One of its standout features is its universal input voltage, ranging from 100V to 240V. This means whether you're in North America, Europe, or practically anywhere else in the world, this adapter is ready to power your Dymo printer without needing a voltage converter, making it incredibly convenient for international travel or simply for use in different regions. Safety is paramount when it comes to power supplies, and the Gytech adapter doesn't cut corners here. It boasts comprehensive protection features, including over-voltage output protection, ensuring your printer isn't damaged by unexpected power surges. There's also over-current output protection, which safeguards against excessive current draw, preventing overheating and potential damage to both the adapter and your valuable label printer. And of course, short-circuit output protection is built in, offering peace of mind against electrical faults. These layers of protection are critical for the longevity of your devices and for user safety. Beyond safety, efficiency is another key aspect. This adapter features high power exchange efficiency, which is crucial for maintaining a stable working temperature. This means the adapter itself won't get excessively hot during prolonged use, contributing to its own lifespan and ensuring a consistent, reliable power supply to your Dymo printer. Stable power delivery is vital for the precise operation of a label printer, preventing glitches or inconsistent performance. In terms of design, the Gytech adapter comes in a sleek black color and features a lightweight design, making it easy to transport or simply keep tidy on your desk. Its wall mount type means it can plug directly into an outlet without a trailing cord from the brick itself, which can help reduce clutter. The package includes one adapter charger, and the brand emphasizes the importance of double-checking compatibility before ordering, which is always a wise step to ensure a perfect fit for your specific Dymo model. This Gytech adapter truly presents itself as a robust and thoughtful solution for keeping your Dymo 400 twin turbo running smoothly.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.